Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video I'll show you how to add load more posts button to your search results. So here if you go to this view all posts button, right now we can see that all the posts of our website are displayed over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to display just 10 or 15 posts over here, and we will add a button called load more posts, and then we'll display the next set of posts. So we will do that in this video. Let's get started. Now before getting started with our load more posts button, I'll just go ahead and fix some issues that we have. So if you go to the home page, here we can see that it has this title called all posts, and then we have this blog title. Now for the home page, we just need to have this blog title. We don't need to have all posts displayed over here. And if you go to all posts, then here we need to display all posts over here. So let's fix that. Let's go back to our theme code. Let's go here to theme, and let's click on edit HTML. And here we can see that we have added this condition called if data blog page type is index and data blog page name is blank. And here we will add one more condition that it is not the home page. So let's type and data blog dot homepage URL is not equal to data blog dot URL. So this will check whether the current URL is not equal to the homepage URL. Right now let's go ahead and click on save. Let's go back to our website and reload. And now here we can see we have just the blog title displayed over here. And if you go to all posts, here we have this title all posts. So it is working all right. Now here in the all posts page, if you go to the mobile version, this is how it looks. We have different width for different images in the thumbnail. So here we can see we have a lot lesser width. So let's set a fixed width for all these thumbnails in the smaller version. So let's go back to our theme code. Let's go back over here and let's see what is the selector called. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And here we have the selector called post container blog list card image. So let's copy this. And let's go back to our theme code. Let's search for this. And here we have the code. So let's change the width 100% to, let's try 140 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Let's click on save. Let's go back to our website and reload. Let's go to the smaller version, and now we can see we have the correct width for all these thumbnails. So now let's go ahead and start with our load more posts button. And for that, let's go back to our theme code and let's go to the view all posts button. So let's search for view all posts. Right now here we have this URL set to homepage / search. And here we'll add one more param called max results equals, and let's try 15. And let's click on save. And now let's go to the place where we are displaying the posts. So let's search for name equals posts. So we have name equals post over here, and here we have the navigation. Let's remove this and let's add our own code over here. So let's go ahead and type less than b : if, and let's add a condition over here. Let's close the b : if right here. And here in the condition, let's type data : older page URL. So this will check whether we have more posts to display. So if we have, then we'll just display a button. So let's create an anchor tag. And in the anchor tag, let's go ahead and type load more posts. And let's close the anchor tag over here. And here in the href, let's change this to an expression. And we will use the built-in variable that Blogger has called data : older page URL. And let's also add the button that we have in our website. So let's type class equals, and we have a class called btn. And we also have a class called outline. So let's add these two classes over here so that we have the correct styling for the button. And let's go ahead and click on save. Let's go back to our website and reload. Let's go to our home page and let's click on the view all posts button. So now we can see we have this max results of 15. And if you scroll down, here we have the load more posts button. So let's also add a margin top. So here I'll just add an inline style. So let's type style equals margin top of 32 pixels, and let's click on save. Let's go back to our website and reload. And here we have this load more post button, and right now the list of blog starts from how to make your life easy with ChatGPT. So let's click on this button. And here we can see that we have the next set of posts displayed over here. And if you take a look at the URL, we can see that it has max results of 15 and it starts from 15. So it starts from the next blog post. Let's scroll down, and I had already added some more posts to our website. So let's click on load more posts. And now we can see that we have the next set of results. And if we go over here to the URL, we can see that it starts from 30 and we have 15 results being displayed. Let's scroll down, and now we can see that we don't have the load more post button displayed over here. That's because this is the last post in our website. So if you go back to our dashboard, and here we can see we have 45 posts in total. And if you scroll down, this is the last post and we have this thumbnail. So it is indeed the last post over here, and everything else is working all right. So that's basically how you can add load more post button to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.